How to record a audio track once you have your guitar plugged into iRig and your monitor is on and everything is set, you're ready to go. Well, you can just simply hit the record button here. But if you're on the screen, maybe you want to see a track. This is how you see a track. So let's go into, see, we tap that, and now we have a little track setting. And when we're ready to record, we're just going to hit that record button right here. It's going to count us in. All right, so I have it set by default to end at a specific time, so we didn't get to finish a full run of the song, but I just wanted to demonstrate for you how you record something. And then if you wanted to go back to see what that looks like, we can go into the track, and there is your track right there. This is exactly what it looks like. And if you wanted to export this out, so that's another video, but I'm going to show you to you right here. So you recorded your track and you're ready to export your song or your waveform. In order to do that, we want to go into here, and then we're going to go into My Songs. Okay, so we're going to save that, and now it's saved into my song number 4. All right, so now let's say you wanted to save that, you wanted to export it to wherever, either in your phone or to Google Drive. Then you're going to press and hold that. Okay, so you press and hold the song that you want, and then here we have some options, right? You can do this right here, and you can move or copy or whatever, but what we want to do is when I hit the share button, okay, when we hit the share button, it's telling you where you want to send it to. So if you want to send a song, as a ringtone, as a project, so whichever you want to do. So for this, I just want to save as a song, okay? And it gives you the options of what kind of quality you want to share it as. Obviously, I like the highest quality, which is uncompressed waved, and we're going to hit share, okay? And it's just going to tell you, give you some options of where to save it to. So it's up to you on where you want to save it. So for me, I'm just going to save it to files. Okay, so now we have it right here, my song number 4. Okay, and then we're just going to hit save. And now that's been saved as a WAV file, and you can use it however you want. You can bring it in as a secondary track, but that's essentially how you save a song or an audio track you just recorded on GarageBand, just like that.